Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing another look out of my collaboration palette with Rasha Cosmetics. This is the Beach Please palette. And today I want to use the green eyeliner that we got out of the Glam box for the month of July with my eyeshadow palette. Somebody actually requested that I do a look using the eyeliner. So if anybody else has any requests, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to get requests from you guys. If there's a certain color or anything you want me to use, just let me know. But yeah, I'm going to use the green eyeliner. I'm going to use the lime green margarita shade. I'm also going to be using Ocean Waves today and Skinny Dip and probably coconut rum because I use that with every look out of this palette. So first of all, I'm going to take a really light colored concealer and put on my lid just as a base because I really want that green to pop. And I don't own a white primer, so I'm just going to use a concealer that is a very light color for me. Just keep it really on the lid and kind of just blend it up. So first of all, I'm going to start off with the margarita shade. And I'm going to start packing that on the front part of my lid. I'm just using tap-in motions just to build this color up. Can you believe I didn't go in and use tan lines first? Same thing for this side. I mean, this green is so vibrant. I would have to say that this is definitely going to be out of my comfort zone, but that's another reason why I wanted to put shades like this in here, just so that we can get out of our comfort zone a little bit. And that matte just builds up beautifully. Okay, so next up I'm going to go into Ocean Waves. And I'm going to start packing that on the outer portion of my lid. I mean, like, wow, that is such a beautiful blue color. It's so bright. Okay, so next up I'm going to go into the Skinny Dip shade. And I'm just going to start putting that in between of the blue and green shade. This Skinny Dip shade is beautiful. It really comes off like a really light blue. I love it. So now I'm just going to take the blue brush and I'm just going to start blending these shades out. I'm just going to blend the blue all the way around. I'm going to blend it into that green a little bit. Now I'm just going to take a clean brush. This has nothing on it. And start really just buffing that blue shade out. Just to kind of diffuse it so it's not such harsh edges. Just buffing it out. Honestly, that's what makes these eyeshadows so easy to use. Because you can build them up, but yet you can still blend them out. Now I'm going to go into the Coconut Rum shade. And I'm going to put that on my brow bone. And also my inner corner. I'm going to go back with that clean brush and just blend. Going to take Ocean Waves and run that underneath of the lower lash line. I'm going to go back with my green brush and just kind of blend into that Skinny Dip shade. I'm going to go back into that Skinny Dip shade and just kind of blend it back again. Just kind of blend it on back and forth. Gosh, that Skinny Dip shade is beautiful. And of course, I'm going to add some black eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm going to take the green eyeliner and line the top of my lash line. And these eyeliners, I do have to say, are pretty easy to work with. This green matches that green in the palette really nicely. The green eyeliner is really fun. I like that green a lot. It's really pretty. And of course, you already know I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara today. Okay, girl, so this is the completed look. I love it. I think it turned out so cute. This is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I love it. I think it looks so good. That green and blue go perfect together. I have to say that this is probably one of my favorite looks that I've done out of my eyeshadow palette. So definitely let me know if you have any requests, any certain colors you want me to use. If you're going to try out this look, I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!